Imagine telling an AI agent exactly what you want automated in plain English, and it runs off and it does it for you. And then it sends you back a report of exactly what it did. No tutorials, no micromanaging, and no you having to do that incredibly repetitive task ever again. Or imagine that you had an AI agent that kept track of all the things that you cared about and then gave you a dashboard that was constantly updated on what all those changes are. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore because my favorite AI agent tool just got a massive upgrade that allows you to do all of these things. And the only thing holding you back from automating your job before 2026 is that you're currently not using this tool and you haven't gotten started with it yet. So let's dive into all the insane things that you'll be able to do with this. Now, that AI agent tool that I'm talking about is Deep Agent by Abacus AI, and they just released a brand new update that is going to blow your mind. Because now, if you're keeping track of something at work, you can have this do that for you. For example, I am asking this to build out Funding Square, a bento-style dashboard that aggregates verified startup funding news from credible sources. It's going to include filters for industry, for stage, for region, for amount, and it's going to show all reported rounds with the source length. Now, this is going to be designed to be modern, to be minimal, to be aesthetic, but more importantly, to automatically update at 12 a.m., 12 p.m., and 4 p.m. Pacific time every single day. Now, the reason that you might want to do this, and it doesn't have to be for this specific use case, is if you're keeping track of something and you want this dashboard constantly updated so that you're not going around searching for things, you could have this build it out custom. Here's exactly what this is going to do. This is going to ask us a few questions. We're going to go ahead and answer it. Then this goes off and actually builds this out and builds exactly what we want. And we could see that it is going to be constantly keeping this updated. Now, once it's actually done, we could come over here and we could view what it looks like. And we could see this breaks this out by industry. And we could come into tasks right here. And we could actually choose for this to be repeated all the time. So here's what this actually looks like. We could see that we can now go through here by all the different industries, and this shows us the latest funding rounds for each of them. For example, we could look right here and see Bridge, we could see Loon, we could see Piverse, we could see 1AM, we could see the date that it was updated, what they actually do, the source here, the industry that they're in, and then also how much they raised and what round that was actually for. Now, if we're doing something like this for work, now this is completely automated and we don't have to go through and do this research. And what's even crazier is like you could do something like this with deep research or asking ChatGPT, but this is going to automatically update itself 3 times a day. So we don't have to. On top of that, if we come under latest funding rounds right here, we'll be able to see all of the latest funding rounds for any industry, and you're able to customize this report and this dashboard in any way that you want. And this doesn't only keep track of things like the news. For example, we could come over here and we could build a job board aggregator for SWE, DS, and PM roles that scrapes the latest job listings from the web and deduplicates entries. And then it goes through and actually gives us his job report. And again, we could have this update automatically at 12 p.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time every day. On the same exact thing here, it's going to ask us a few questions. We're going to answer these, and then this is going to go off. This is going to code to this. This is going to build this out, and this is going to set up a task so that this gets automated twice every single day. And we could go through here now, and we have this customized job board that tells you how many jobs there are. We could filter through it, and we could see the results. And again, this will actually shoot us an update every day when this goes through and actually gets updated here. On top of that, as we could see, this goes through, it finds us different roles, and we could see that this gives us the job position, the company, the location, when it was posted, and then it even gives us the link to each one of these jobs. And if we wanted to take this a step further, what we could actually do is we could have this automatically pull things, and then we could just give it, hey, this senior software engineer job at CVS or this software engineer full stack job at Bank of America, those are the jobs that I want to apply to. We can upload our resume, and Deep Agent has an AI browser that can go through and it can actually apply to all of these different jobs on LinkedIn, on Indeed, on their own website. It doesn't matter where it's coming from, and look at all the different sources that this is actually pulling things in from. For example, the company website, LinkedIn, Indeed, it's pulling it in from so many different sources so that you're not only getting one type of jobs from Indeed or from the company website, you're getting them across everywhere on the internet without you having to lift a finger. All you had to do was literally just give this one prompt, answer a few questions, it builds it out for you, and automatically updates it. And that's not the only thing that you could automate with Deep Agent, because let's say that you do something like reporting as part of your job, you could automate that too, and you can even automate it actually pulling the data in to do the reporting. But before I show you that, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Deep Agent today for only $10 a month. In addition to that, you're not only going to get access to Deep Agent, you're also going to get access to Chat LLM, which allows you to access every single LLM on the market. I'm talking things from DeepSeek to Grok to ChatGPT, even Gemini or Claude, and all the different models, all from just one tool so that you don't have to pay for tons of other different tools. If that sounds interesting, well, please go to the pinned comment below and get started with it today. This has helped me automate so many different tasks and so many different things that I'm about to show you, and I think you could do the same thing with it. For example, I went over here and I uploaded this big CSV file of a bunch of different data about all of my competitors' ads. We could see that there is a ton of different data here for a ton of different ads. In fact, it was for like 44 ads. And then I said to this, I want a full creative brief breakdown from the ads that I'm attaching below to help my team make better ad creatives for meta ads. It goes through and gives it some information about what's actually showing in the CSV, and then it goes through all the different things that we want. Now, as we could see here, what this then did is it went through, it spun up some Python in order to actually analyze these ads. Now, what makes Deep Agent special is something that no other AI agent would be able to do. Deep Agent was actually able to watch each of these video ads to tell us exactly what it was about, how we could actually do it for our brand, and so much more. So if we scroll all the way down here, we can see all the work that this did. We went through analysis complete here. It shows us what was actually done. So it extracted all the metadata, downloaded all the media, analyzed all the videos, classified all the images, applied classification number 1, classification number 2, which I had in the instructions, and it included all the original URLs. And then we could come down here, we could see all the key findings, we could see the top recommendations, we could see how to use it, and if we scroll down a little bit more, we will be able to see all the different deliverables that this actually went through and created here. So we could click on this right here and see the report that was actually created, so we know what each type of these ads are. It gives us ideas for how we could actually do this for my brand or for your brand or for whatever you're reporting on. If you wanted to take this a step further, what you could actually do is integrate this with Google Drive. So you can automate that your report is going to be pulled and it is going to be put inside of your Google Drive. And then you can actually come through in Deep Agent and come over here and upload a task, click on Create New Task, Deep Agent Task. You would put in this same prompt and tell it to access your Google Drive, and then this could go through and this can do this at whatever cadence you actually want. And it doesn't only work for something like Facebook ads. For example, I have this go through and figure out what's trending in my niche on TikTok. The same exact thing. We give it the CSV or give it access to the CSV from my Google Drive. We ask it the question. It asks us a few clarifying questions, and then this goes through and analyzes all this for me in order to actually show me what posts are doing the best, what type of content I should create. And it can even go through and look at the length of the content or the topic of the content and show you exactly what you need to do on social media to improve your content. Now, let's say that you didn't want to have to actually manually go through and create the content you're putting on social media. You can actually use this tool to automate you posting on X. Check this out. So we could come over here and say something like, please read the latest 10 tweets from this account right here and post similar tweets promoting a specific tool. For example, for this Deep Agent with its capabilities in an organic matter. It says that you can also include a hot take in the tweet to grab attention, post 2 tweets every day at an interval of 2 hours a day. Now from here, again, this is going to go through, ask us a few questions, and we could see that this then prompts us to sign into X right here. Once we're actually signed in, we could see that this goes through, it analyzes the different tweets from the account that we gave it, and then it went through and generated all these different tweets. And we could see right here that what this actually does is goes through and also gives us the details of everything that it's doing. Now, guess what? You could connect this to your Gmail. You could connect this to Outlook. You could connect this to Slack, and you could have this also ping you a message each time it posts on social media on your behalf. Or maybe you wanted to get this to automate something a lot more in depth. For example, we could come over here and say, I want to manage all my invoices in a sheet at one place. I want you to visit this specific website, download the invoices for the present month, enter the details from that invoice into a Google Sheet. So now this is a multi-step process that somebody would have to go through and do. And then we give it some information. We give it the login information, which obviously I have blurred out here. And this goes through and actually does this. So we can see it again. It asks us a few different questions. We go through and answer them. Now this is going to spin up a browser right here. It is going to sign in to all the different devices that we need to sign into. And then as a result, this goes through and this automates everything that needs to actually be done. And we could see that we could test this task and we could see it actually going through, which is insane. And again, the only thing stopping you right now from automating whatever you are currently doing manually is that you haven't used this tool yet and you haven't gone through and asked it to automate things. And then look at this right here. We can literally see that this went through and gave us an email update for all the different things that were processed in 2025. And again, this simply comes down to you explaining in plain English, you answering a few questions, and then you actually putting these out as tasks. The only thing standing in between right now, you from automating your job before 2026, or at least taking back a lot of your time. I mean, how much different would your life look if you got like an hour or two back every single day? This tool is able to do that, and this tool is able to do that incredibly easily. Now, that last use case that I wanted to show you here to inspire you is we're asking this to build an AI agent that accepts a CSV file as an input. We tell it exactly what's in there, and then what we want this to do is research the company, read about our product. 3, draft a nicely formatted personalized email to that person and then send that email through our Gmail account. And what this is going to go through and do and be a personalized sales outreach agent that is going to be taking into consideration who the prospective client is, what our services are, crafts a personalized email for them and sends it to them. And then again, this goes through, this actually builds out this workflow right here. We could test this workflow by putting this CSV in here, and then this is going to go through, and this is going to actually report back to us on everything that it did. And we could see all of the different emails that were sent out here, and this is insane. Now, one thing that we would want to change, obviously, and that is why we went through and actually tested this, is we don't want this to say your name down here. We want it to say a specific name. So you do have to go through and like QA it and test those things and get those bugs out of there. But overall, I mean, I want you to think about this. This is literally now going through and reaching out to clients for us. In addition to that, we could have this find leads for us. So you can have all these different agents that automate all these different parts of your job. You could have it automate communication. You could have it automate research. You could have it automate staying up to date on things, reaching out to people, drafting personalized emails, drafting personalized messages, creating PowerPoints, creating reports. Doesn't matter what it is, this tool can do it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that shows you a brand new AI browser that's gonna blow your mind because it just came out and it has nothing to do with ChatGPT Atlas or Comet browser. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.